Right now we're looking for a module that will add a contact form to our site. And there's a module that comes with Drupal by default that will do this. But how do we know that? Well, one way is to use browser search in order to search this page to see if there is a module that matches a particular set of keywords. So I'm going to click Control F, which will open up the Find dialog here at the bottom of my browser. Your browser might work a little bit differently. And then I'm going to type contact. And when I do, you see highlighted with green right here is a module called contact. Now I could have also typed in something like form or forms as well. And this one says that it enables the use of both personal and site-wide contact forms. So we're looking for the site-wide type of contact form. So let's go ahead and enable this module and see what we can do with it. I'm going to go ahead and click the checkbox next to the module, and I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom of the page and click Save Configuration. It might take a moment to install the module, and then when it's done at the very top of the page, we'll see a notice that says the configuration options have been saved. So we should be good to go to use the module.